What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
Here when we cut it off with the VALVETRONICS.
That's the Borla attacks we cut off, and he had Corsa tips. Believe it or not, these tips are $500 for the set, which is insane. Corsa, lower your prices. There's the Borla muffler axle back that we cut off that we let you guys hear before, and we replaced it with some Natami black tips there and there, and then we also added VALVETRONIC Designs universal mufflers. It's a 3-inch system, VALVETRONICS. I'll show it to you guys in a second. We're gonna raise it up. All right, guys, we got a 2015 Ford Mustang 5.0 Roush with a freshly built supercharger and everything else I'm about to show you guys. Really nice stance on this car, really beautiful. What it's got, long tube headers, Texas Speed, somebody else put on. They were all put on when it came here, as you guys can see. Then it's got a X-pipe from Borla right there. The Borla attack system got X-pipe right there. Then 3-inch system. So in order to be able to fit the VALVETRONICS, we had to unfortunately make it a little bit smaller to 2.5 to make those bends, because they're really tight bends. But here's the VALVETRONICS system. We ran the lines up through the trunk and into the vehicle, okay, for the valves, for the vacuum system. But it is a vacuum system. The valve is right here, and there's the vacuum pump there. The actuators there and there to get it done. But if it goes through the valve, when the valve is closed, it goes through the muffler, as you guys can see, and then back out. And when the valve opens, it becomes straight pipe all the way through into those tips. Natami tips that we put on it also. Here's the tips, Natami, and here's the part number on them. There'll be a link in the description for them, guys. Really nice system, as you guys can see, all the way back. And there's the tips out the back, 4-inch outlet, 3-inch inlet. Beautiful, nice wing, Roush, clean car. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys didn't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. Right now, the valves are closed on the VALVETRONICS system. So we'll let you guys hear it with the valves closed. And then we'll open it up and release the beast. That's with the valves closed, guys. So you still get a nice tone, but nothing crazy. It's quiet on idle. Especially for what this car is. It's pushing over 680 horsepower. Give it gas. So it's right at 118 again. All right, go ahead and open the valves. Drastically different. Here's that idle, right at 82, so it's still quiet. And here we go. Go ahead. Here's sound decibels. 129. It almost broke the decibel meter. Again. At idle with them closed. Huge difference, about 15 decibel difference. Again. Go ahead and back it out. All right, here it is outside with the valves closed. Go ahead. Wow. let you guys hear on the inside.
That's where the valve's closed.
CBS 2300. It's got long tube, Texas speed headers, and it's pushing around 675.
Wow, that is beauty. Tell me you guys are not in love. I am. Beautiful. Nicely clean build too. Enjoy, guys. Roush Supercharged. This is with the valves closed. That's with the valves closed, guys. He's gonna come back and we're gonna do it with the valves open. So now we're gonna do the second pull. This is with them closed still. We're gonna do a second pull with them open. All right, he's about to open the valves now. There we go. Now they're open. I can't even stand behind it, guys. I got earplugs in and it's still loud. That's crazy. Here we go. Oh my God, ultimate beast mode. See the difference, guys? So when you can afford Valvetronics, get Valvetronics. Austin, we love you, bro, for creating these mufflers. Enjoy.